In this video, I'll show you how to add a custom domain in Replit. First, open your web browser, go to Replit, and sign into your account. Then open the project you've already deployed. Make sure your app is live before connecting a custom domain. Next, open the deployments page for your project and select your active deployment. Look for the Domains or Custom Domains section, then click Add Custom Domain. Now, enter the domain name you want to use, such as www.yourdomain.com, and confirm your selection. Replit will display the DNS records you need to add at your domain registrar. After that, sign into your domain registrar, open your domain's DNS settings, and add the required DNS records exactly as shown by Replit. Save your changes, then return to Replit and wait while your domain is verified. DNS updates can take some time to propagate, so verification may not happen immediately. Finally, once the domain has been verified, open your custom domain in a web browser to make sure your app is loading correctly. From now on, visitors can access your deployed Replit app using your custom domain instead of the default Replit URL. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a custom domain in Replit. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.